Hi, my name is Jamie Garrard, and I am the creator of the Unconventional Pet Organization of Love website, also known as UPAL. I wanted the website to look clean and yet allow it to speak for the brand and for itself. So I wanted the pictures to look really professional and happy. What this organization is it is a healthier form of the Humane Society as we save animals that aren't just dogs and cats. So the main purpose of this website is to get people to want to volunteer and to come to the pet farm in Idaho. As you can see on this website, I decided that I wanted to tell the stories of these animals. For example, Goldie the goldfish, or Kelly the koala bear, Percy Blue parrot, and Hammy the hamster. And I wanted to tell these stories so that the volunteers wanted to come and meet them and also feel inspired that the love that they give these animals can help them and save them in so many different ways. I also wanted to tell the story of the crew. I wanted the volunteers to know who they would be working for and who they'd be working with. And I wanted the website to look clean and visually appealing. I went with a white background, kind of like Facebook and Instagram, so that the website looked clean and professional. I wanted the pictures and the words to stand out. It looks simple because the message is so important. So we needed it to look clean to not only help the brand look good, but to also help the website speak for itself, like I said before. I want to speak honestly when I speak about this class. It was really hard for me. So the hardest part of this website was the coding, which is funny because that's exactly what the whole class was about. But the night before I turned in this website, I typed in some code and I crashed my website, and I had no idea what I did or how to fix it. And it was 3:00 in the morning, on Wednesday morning, and I just started bawling. I didn't know what to do. And so I, waited until I could, go see the TA and, get some help. And I am really grateful for her. She helped me figure things out and finish my website. I hope you like the look of it. It really was fun to create, all in all. And I had fun creating the logo and finding the pictures of these animals and telling stories, even though they're not real. And giving reasons why people should volunteer. I hope you enjoy my website. Thank you.